Alright, let's get started with the fun and exciting process of harvesting sugar snap peas right here in our backyard garden. Just take a look at these beautiful plants. I can't wait to start picking these delicious goodies. Stick around because today we're going to uncover the secrets to picking these delicious veggies at just the right moment for maximum flavor. Harvesting sugar snap peas may seem straightforward, but determining the perfect time to pick them can be a bit tricky. The key lies in selecting them at their peak ripeness to enjoy that sweet and crunchy goodness that we all love. There are a few visual cues you can rely on to ensure that you're picking them at the perfect time. Keep an eye out for their shape. They should be plump and well-filled. To capture the peak of their sweetness and crunchiness, they must be picked at just the right moment. It's a race against time to savor the best that these little gems have to offer. Too early and they lack flavor. Too late and they become tough and starchy. The color is also essential. Look for vibrant green pods. Lastly, gently squeeze the pods to check for a firm texture, indicating that they are ready to be harvested. Now, here comes the exciting part. Picture this. You're in your garden, surrounded by lush pea plants. You spot a pod that meets all the criteria, the perfect size, color, and texture. You pluck it from the vine, and as you take that first crispy bite, you're met with a burst of sweetness and freshness. That's the magic of picking sugar snap peas at just the right moment. Now, let's talk about the proper way to harvest sugar snap peas without causing any harm to the plant. It's essential to be gentle and careful to ensure a bountiful harvest next time. In summary, harvesting sugar snap peas is an art that requires timing and great attention to detail. By choosing the peas at their peak ripeness, you unlock their full flavor potential. Remember, the perfect sugar snap pea is a combination of sweetness and crunchiness that can elevate any dish. Did you know that they are packed with nutrients and are a great source of fiber? Now it's your turn. We'd love to hear about your own experiences with harvesting sugar snap peas or any other satisfying activities in the comments below. Do you want some? Until next time, happy harvesting!